How to find saved videos on YouTube app. Hello guys, first thing, open YouTube and choose any video you want and save it like this from here. Click on this save option, and if you want to find it now, go down here into the library option down here in the corner. Click on it. After that, it will take you into this page. Click on this watch later option, and now right here you will find all your saved videos easily and fast. And if you don't have this option, then all what you want to do is go to the Play Store, go into the search bar and search for YouTube. You can do the same thing in the App Store on iPhone. Now all what you want to do is click on update. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial until the very end. See you later.